In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game HOMEWORLD 3 on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Once you have done this, we can quickly search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download this game. So quickly go to Steam and there we will search up the game HOMEWORLD. Don't worry, we are not going to buy it over here, we are going to another website to download it. As you can see, this game is €29.99 on Steam, but we have a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now, here we will search for the same game, HOMEWORLD 3, and then search for it. After that, select the games on the left side, and then sort by price lowest first. And once you are scrolling down, then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our account. So this text needs to be marked green and then select it. After that, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €2.50 compared to the price on Steam of €29.99. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games. Now, if you purchase this game for just €2, then you will receive a Steam key to activate this game within Steam, but without overpaying, and you are able to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!